What's going on, dude?
Hey, we just got this go-kart for the 116 Racing channel. We're gonna fix it up.
Yeah, this thing's pretty sweet. Needs a little bit of work done, a little TLC.
We got some flat tires. We gotta reattach the cage. We gotta make sure all of our linkage, all of our brakes are working. Make sure everything's turning good. We gotta get this motor fired up, and I think we gotta rebuild maybe the carburetor and the clutch. Over here seems to be locked up. Hopefully the motor's not locked up. We're gonna see about getting this thing fired up today.
Heck yeah.
See what it sounds like, see if she'll move. I don't know, get it ready.
Yeah, I traded this thing for 2 tattoos. How sweet is that? One perks of being a tattoo artist, I guess you can do some trades for some really cool things. We got Colin with us today too, joining. You gonna be helping fixing it too, dude?
Yeah.
Yep.
This thing has, spring suspension in the front that needs to be cleaned up. We gotta grease everything. Hopefully the motor's good. Otherwise, we'll have to go up and get a new motor for it. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this cage off right now because it doesn't have any bolts in it. It kind of came like that, so we're gonna take this off and maybe set the go-kart on top of it and see if we can't get this back tire that's locked up freed up. Yeah. It's pretty froze up.
Let's see if there's any oil in there.
There is.
Yep.
Doesn't look too bad.
Gas tank's empty, I'm pretty sure.
Let's take this motor off. We're gonna have to.
Yep. There she goes. Yeah, that thing's pretty stuck. You guys think it'll loosen up or no? Who knows? We'll see. It sounds like a bell going off.
You have any WD? I think we need some WD-40, bud.
Alright, let me grab some for you. Alright, here you go. There you go, dude.
Holy crap. Look at that.
Yeah, you didn't know I could do that, did you?
Uh-uh.
Nope.
I didn't know you just carried WD-40 around with you like that.
That and hot sauce. You never know when you'll need it. Hold this side for you real quick.
Good golly goodness. What has got this thing so locked up? Maybe it's this?
Man, bang the tire, that'll help. Yeah. Smacking the crap out of that tire, isn't he? Check him out, y'all. So what are you thinking, dude?
We have to take this off. I have to take the motor off for sure.
That's gonna be fun. Oh, there we go. There she goes. Alright. So I'll try to get this engine off before the storm comes through. So out of nowhere it starts spinning on us, okay. All that beating with the hammer must have did it, huh?
They might have had it too tight. Or it might just have, I'm not sure yet.
Well, there you go.
Ooh, it's free. Ah, let's go.
Alright, we're about to take the seat off here real quick. We're gonna spray her on down.
You're about nuttier than a Porta John at a peanut festival.
Alright. A little rusty, but we're getting to it. We're gonna do a new paint job on this thing. It's gonna be the same colors as my car, octane red. WD-40. It makes me happy.
It's in there. I ain't never seen nothing like that.
There we go.
Holy
Hey Josh, I think
Seat
this part of
is
it.
off. Woohoo! Yeah, it's something that came off of it. Put that in the something pile over here. Look at that thing. Oh yeah. I'm about to go grab that hose and spray her down. Trim
I got that one.
that old paint.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, it's all coming up.
Yeah, get some rip off. I'm trying to get this thing.
Let's go Bengals! Not so much anymore.
Yeah, now they're like, let's not go back.
What's your guys' favorite football team? Leave it in the comment. Let us know. And what's your least favorite team? And let us know.
You know what's crazy?
What's up?
They used to be a 91 overall. Guess what their overall is now?
What is it?
81. I see that. I'm getting the cracks and all that.
Yeah. Get it, Samuel. Yeah, it's really rough. Yeah, look at that. Woohoo! Scrub, dub, dub. Now that's how you scrub.
Hey, we're in here team working.
This is how you TLC right here. You don't want no ordinary scrubs on this thing.
Get all in here.
Because ordinary scrubs don't get no love from me. Lay it on down. Oh, yeah, we're definitely going to have to get a little brush or something. Watch out right there, it's a little wet.
There goes the go-kart.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to have to get some rag and wash it down.
Look at those tires. Flat. These ones we gotta get new ones.
We're about to wash it down a little bit more.
Oh, it's that paper cardboard.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like really thin sheets of cardboard.
Dude, it's dusty. It's dusty, Josh.
It's dusty.
Yeah. It's like dusty forever. It has rust. It has more rust. And it has a bunch of rust, actually. But it has a piece of string right here.
All right, you guys, we just got some spray paint and we're about to spray paint this go-kart. Here shortly, within the next couple weeks, it's going to be up and running. We're going to be driving this thing around, dude. I'm excited. I can't wait.
Yeah, I'll bring them both home.
Here goes the frame, boys and girls. All nicely painted in burgundy. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, until the next update, you guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching 116 Racing.